Okay guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to UNICE Hair for sponsoring this video. Let's go in. We have the wig cap, a edge brush, edge band, and I love these new edge band that they give. I love it. We got a bag to keep the wig intact. Now this is the wig. It's a 7x5 bye knots lace wig. We're gonna see the style. It's a surprise. It came perfect. You have the hair tabs if you want to do glueless, of course. But it's a 7x5. Oh, it's a band. So we're gonna create a band, okay? And all the band wigs, they come with a roller in the front just to keep the band. I don't think I'm gonna keep mine because girls don't want to band. But of course, they come with a roller, and there goes the band. And this is what the wig looks like. Wide enough. It's pre-bleach. It have a adjustable band, of course, and it is a body wave wig, which means it have curls. It's already pre-curled. Love that. And I think it's layered. Just look at that lace. Perfect. So we're gonna get to installing this wig. Let's go. I'm gonna prep it some more. And has a comb. I love my wig with a comb. And yeah, so it's gonna be snug, okay? So let's get to prepping the wig and installing it. Alright guys, let's get into this wig install. Of course, I'm gonna have to fix my hair. Like, you cannot do it like this. Okay? Listen, I install wigs every single week, and since I started to not braid down my hair, it's been working, okay? It has been working. See if I talk too soon. Anyway, I do need a treatment. I need a treat. So I like to bring back all the baby hair. Is down. I feel like I want to add some cute little baby hair on this one, right down to the side. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to take it out. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna cut this side out. I'm not doing a lot, and then I think I'm gonna use the glass to bead on these. Something really soft, nothing too much, because I only cut the front part, so basically the rest of the hair I'm just bringing it around. So I really wanted it to be as natural as possible.
Got to break this pattern, floating away.
of layers to the front. Now, not because it's a bang wig means you have to wear it as a bang, because the way they style this wig, the way they cut this wig, I love that. So the curls, I love how loose they are. The lace is amazing. I am going to re-add some curls to it, and we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes or hours, like 30 minutes or so, and then we are gonna take them off. So basically, I'm gonna use, and I tell you, these feel so good. I don't know if I want to put them this way, transfer this way, but I don't know. I don't know, because I do have the band area, and it feels so good. The quality of the hair is everything. So I am going to add some curls to the wig, and I'll be back. I'm gonna section off each part. So I'm gonna leave this area where you guys can watch. Just keep on watching. I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and the saying goes, life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting out. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. I know, it's alright. I'm not dangerous when you're mine. Alright guys, so we did a little thing because the way how this wig felt on my head, I had to. So I know I look crazy, but just the quality was so amazing. So I added some rods to the wig, and look at that. OMG. Oh, you have to get this wig, like, yeah. I am going to go ahead and fix this part of it, but it's a closure wig, and girl, but just look how amazing these curls are, because the wig came with curls, and then I went in and I did a little bit of something, but just because it is a bob, not a bob, I'm sorry, it's a, what do you call it, a bang wig. They already pre-cut the wig. It's now amazing. Let's take off this. Look at that lace. Let's comb it out. Or brush it out. I'm not gonna lie, guys, when I tell you you don't need nobody to help you with this wig, you have to get it. OMG. I will have these stuff linked in my Amazon storefront that I used to recurl it. But like I said, the wig came with curls already, and because it's a bang wig, yeah, it's already cut. So it's even more amazing how the curls are. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite wigs. And then it is a closure, y'all. Like, with the closure, like, look at that. Come on, it's very lightweight, so you don't need to worry about, oh, I cannot do my own hair, girl. You can slip it on. You can slip it on yourself. I still need to finesse the curls a little bit on each side because, yeah, look at that. It's perfect. And these curls will last you throughout the day. In the night, look at that. I'm telling y'all. It's perfect. It's a closure. So you can do whatever you want. You can make, but the curls, they will form. The curls are not going anywhere. Yeah, so it's a freelance wig, and I love that. You don't have to worry about a middle part, but if you're a person who do not know how to install your wig, I recommend you leave it as a middle part. But look at the lace. I showed you guys where I made a little bit of baby hair at the front, but it's not going nowhere. It's a closure, okay? You see that? It's a closure. Right here, it's a closure. UNICE, you did this with this one, and it's gonna be one of my favorite wigs. So easy put on, easy take off. Add curls and add the stuff to make the curls pop a little bit more. Now, OMG, I love it. I cannot stress. I was gonna show you guys more than one style, but I think I'm gonna leave it like this, okay? I just showed you where you could just take your hands out, take out this part if you wish. That's if you wish. And you could take out this part. Now, you guys already know by now, I am a girl who loves a updo, and even though it's a closure wig, I'm looking for a brush. See what I'm saying? How about this? I bet you never thought of that. Closure, still looking good. Okay, what are your thoughts? Alright guys, so I showed you guys that, and because of how the curls are, just look at this. We are gonna go back to the regular style, and look at that. It is so good, isn't it? So there we go. Now UNICE, you did your thing with this. So guys, I want you to check the description. Get this wig. You need it in your life. 7x5, perfect, which means you can install it yourself, and it's you saving money because you already purchased the wig, so you can do it yourself. Now, the link to the wig and their website will be in the description bar, so make sure you guys check it out and tell me your thoughts on this wig. I love it. Love it. You guys know once I love something, I'm gonna go all out, and I'm telling you guys now, you don't have to worry about nothing than installation. Just install the wig yourself. Perfect. You understand me? So make sure you check it out. I'll see you guys in the next one. And not because it's a 7x5, it doesn't mean you cannot create different hairstyles. You can, okay? You can either go with a side part, you can go with an updo, anything at all, because it's perfect. So see you guys in the next one. Love y'all. Oh,